Today we are going to make a pressure launcher. A pressure launcher is a fun toy to play with. Now, here are the materials you will find in your kit. A 10 ml syringe, a 20 ml syringe, and a pipe to connect the syringes, and a tower for the launcher to knock over. Let's get started. So, let's take the pipe and the 10 ml syringe. Connect the pipe with the 10 ml syringe, like this. Okay, then take the 20 ml syringe, connect the pipe. Oh, before that, pull the piston back, but not out of the syringe. And then put that in the pipe too. Now the pressure launcher is ready. So, hold it in a way you're comfortable and aim. And try to aim straight at the tower. If it does this and doesn't work, take the piston of the 10 ml syringe out and pull the piston of the 20 ml syringe till here, don't pull it fully out, and keep this back in. And then it's ready for another try. and that's how you play with the pressure launcher. Did the piston fly out? Why did it knock over the tower? Now I'm going to explain the science behind it. So, the science all started when it was right here. I told you to pull this back and put this back in. This creates pressure. So then, when you push all this air out, this is only 10 ml, this is 20 ml. And 20 ml is greater than 10 ml. So it pushes the piston out until it's completely out and blasts the piston out. And then the impact that hits the tower knocks the one cup over. Then it topples all of the other cups down. And that's the science behind it.